Yeah man, viewers and subscribers, we're right here at Carrefour Mega. Or you can say Carrefour Mega, the biggest Carrefour in Nairobi. That's what they say. So let's go check it out and see what it's like. I'm here with my friends, the whole Jamaica, not the whole Jamaica crew, but some of us. Let's go view some prices, see what the prices is like, see what item they have here, see what we can get. So stay tuned. See what I go on in Kenya, Nairobi, because a lot of you guys want to see what we have in Nairobi, what it's like different from Jamaica, what it's like different from the US, what items you can get here, what the price is like, what the people is like. So let's go check it out. We're here right now. They say we can't do no recording inside. You understand? It's restricted. But I'm going to try and see what I can do to show you guys a few clips. So me, my friend Jam Tour Africa, and my other friends, Ava and Bridget, we're here. Empress Bridget, Empress Ava. Let's go see what's going on. Carrefour Mega. Slogan there, aka Ricardo. Yeah man. See the price for hand towel. Yeah man, that feet you know. Good quality too. Very good quality. Napkins, foils and stuff. That's showing what we have here. What we have, see? My friend Empress Bridget.
Yes, we're here to do some little mini shopping. But this location offer you more variety of choices that we are accustomed in America or Jamaica, wherever we are. So that's why we're here today. And then after that, you can come with us. We're gonna go where?
On the land. We'll do the land.
Okay, we get to see, let's just say this, hopefully we get to see the land today, the estate, the Gulf estate today.
Yes.
Hopefully we get to do that. And you can just come along with us.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Check it out, check it out. We have waffles right here. Different type of waffles. You understand? Ice cream section. All different type of ice cream. What is your favorite ice cream? What is the best ice cream do you like? You know, we have London Dairy. We have lot of different type of ice creams. As you can see, I know some people like them Ben and Jerry, but we have different types. Chicken and stuff over this side. I don't even want to go in the wine section. As you can see, we have that mozzarella sticks. If you want shrimp, this is prawns. You see, mozzarella sticks. We have mozzarella sticks right there. So if you have kids and they like mozzarella sticks, even if they can't cook and you want something quick, you can get some chicken nuggets. As you can see, chicken nuggets, mozzarella sticks, and all this stuff. Vegetarian food, the mushroom, broccoli, everything pre-cut. Some of them is pre-cooked, pizza. See? Yeah, so as I'm saying, there's a lot of different stuff here. As you can see, samosas, spring roll, all that you want. Veggie burger, real burger. You see? Veggie burger, real burger. Yeah, so what's potato? Everything, fries, whatever you want, frozen section. So sausages. We have everything that you want. Carrefour. So you can see fresh vegetables in the supermarket. We have cheese and stuff like that over here. But everything is here that you want, what you like. Price is cheap. Watermelon, 89 Kenyan shillings per kg. So for this big watermelon, could be like less than 500. It's like 300 shillings. 300 Kenyan shillings. Fruits, raspberries, blackberry, mixed berry, all kind of fruits, pre-cooked. So all of those health conscious people, vegetarian, vegan, doesn't matter. Sisters over here getting some fresh avocado. Yeah, nice. You see what's up? Fresh grip, you can taste some buy, see? You taste, you buy if you want. All the supermarket, you can get fresh grip, taste and buy. Yes, man, you can go downstairs and check them out. The people who want to live, to move here, you can come down. I'm going to show you guys the prices and the appliance and furniture. So I forgot to show you guys the maple syrup, pancake syrup, all type of syrup you want, strawberry syrup. You see, 100%. 100% pure maple syrup right here. That's the price, 1,320 shillings. That's Kenyan money. You can convert it to US currency if you want. It's not much. Maybe it's like $9 US for just syrup. 100% maple syrup. It's hard to get maple syrup in Africa. Very hard, very hard. Because I was in Tanzania and it took me a while before I can get 100% real maple. So as you can see, sauces, ketchup, stuff like that. Beans! For those who like beans, peas, whatever it is, it's right here. Sweet butter bean, baked bean, all this price, corn. Right here, mayonnaise. So you have mayo, different flavor mayo. They have different options, as you can see. They have tartar sauce. They have mayo, whatever ketchup, like mayo ketchup. First I'm seeing that one. You have black pepper mayonnaise, garlic mayonnaise. See? Dressing, Thousand Island, ranch dressing, mustard, honey mustard, different dressing like Caesar dressing for salads. So we have different stuff, you know. We have different stuff. But I should have to show you there's more you can get. There's more you can get in Carrefour. So now we're going down. So my friend Bridget said she liked this dress.
Yes,
Hello.
I do. Look at it. It's really nice.
It's very nice, right?
Yeah. How much is it, Alva? Check your calendar.
3,004.
But how much is it in the US?
Like
Yeah.
3,450.
You sure?
Like $25 US.
It's cute. It's really cute.
It's nice.
Oh, where's the slipper?
I like this one, 3,800. This one is nice. Yeah, man, that one is very nice.
Oh, over here. Hey, but look. What? Top ball. I need the slippers have to match. I want them to have slippers.
A mad thing.
Yeah, I'm matchy, you know.
Yeah, man, you have to match, man. Material is good too. Kenyan shirt? Where? Let me see. So we're gonna check out some things right over side there. It's a jacket and thing. Welcome to Kenya, welcome to Nairobi. Price on everything is very low. And it's actually cheap over here now. If you come over here with 10,000 US, you can live a good, proper life. So a place called Mount Kenya. So we'll go back to Mount Zion to show the people how the mountain is. Yeah, how much will you see price? I don't see the price tag. Oh, I think cargo, that over the man t-shirt, I started, that man jeans 2,000. Yeah. Curtains, over there, so let's check it out now. I check the curtains them. Some nice cargo pants. Like the grey pants, sir. Nice, man. Me someone love shop, love buy clothes, you know, man. Because sometimes you just shop, buy a few clothes and just part them. So whenever you're busy and we at work, we don't have to be shopping for like 2 months because we stock up with clothes upon these curtains. So these are the kitchen curtains I'm telling you about. We have different design, different pattern.
These look nice still, I like it.
These are nice, yeah. I'm like the color here. The white background and this color.
It's on fit, right?
Yeah, this can fit. But you buy it a set. When you buy this, these are the you have this in the background. So you get it like a set.
Share, yeah,
it's
share.
like this. 2 pieces and the background set. So we can ask them how much, because we don't see the price. I think the knob for 1,450. But the curtain itself.
The white background. Does that look nice with the white?
Which one? This one, yeah. This look nice. I like that. You can snap a picture of it, man. See, you have pillow over here, so pillow, stuff like that. Alright, so if you guys want comforter, bedspread, yeah, so over here, so a nice comforter. Velvet duvet, 5,800. Which one is 2 meters? Where you want? Where you want? Mine now 1.5 meter in total 3 meter I want. 1.5, 1.5.
2 meter too short.
2 meter too tall.
Too tall.
Yes,
One
yes.
and a half,
1.5, yeah. So if you have 3 meter, you're good. So you have 1.5 on this side and 1.5 on the other side. And you have this one, the shear. Right back. You see it. And for the kitchen one, okay, the size is alright. Yeah, the kitchen one. Sorry. You see? So that's what's up right here. So we have people. So we're here at the appliance store that you can see. So in case they want to buy a fridge. I like this one. I need to get one of these for the restaurant. You know, Reggae Flavors restaurant. I need to get one of these deep freeze. 65,000 or 48,995 for this one. And you can actually get them cheaper than here. I'm just showing you guys around. Look at this one. Sorry. These are some nice quality refrigerator. It's 47,000 for that one. As you can see, which one you want. So which one you want, you just let me know. I can put the price in the link, or the store in the link, so you guys can see. Yeah. Nice. Damn. Samsung fridge. Samsung. So, as you see, we have different brands. If you want Samsung, if you want Sony Ericsson, LG. So we have different type of fridge here. If you want, you're gonna need a heater. Yeah, man. So for you guys who's traveling and want to come here and buy appliance and stuff for your home. Example, you just moved to Kenya and you want to know the prices for like fridge, stove, you know, household stuff. We're at Carrefour. And this is what the price. Air fryer, in case you guys want an air fryer, 16,000, 14,000, 11,000. And all these are Kenyan shillings, not US dollars. For the Jamaicans, the shillings here and the shillings in Jamaica are the same price, the same rate. Rice cooker. For those who can't cook and you need a rice cooker, it's right here. No, just for the single parent or a single mother or a single guy or a young sister that's going to school. You want to come here, you want to cook your own food because you don't want to eat out all the time. Yeah. Nice rice cooker. Stainless steel, all white, whatever you want. Yeah.
This one is going for
3,000.
how much is that? And
I think $25 or less. Less than $25.
okay, so that's reasonable.
It's reasonable.
Yeah, absolutely.
For those who want to move here or want to stay here for a while, you need to cook your own food. You can come shopping around.
Yes. So see.
You getting that?
Yeah. How you know my girl? She's very Kenyan.
Yes.
She's Kenyan, right?
Should I get an extra for that?
And as you guys can see, she shop Kenya.
She shop Kenya, all natural.
All natural.
And that is Chef
All
Ava.
natural. No, Empress Ava.
Empress Ava, aka slash chef.
We are Empress.
The one that cook the good steamed fish and okra give me. In my back. Stay in my back.
Alright, so we're going.
So we go. Want to catch a Jamaican man, make sure you cook good steamed fish and okra. Catch a good Jamaican man, yeah? A good thing so we can cook, I get catch. Microwave. Yeah man, a good thing so we can cook star cause we get catch a long time. So you guys can see good microwave. Smart. So this microwave is actually nice. 2 years warranty, LG. The best brand. Price 28,000. So I got 2 years warranty for this one. 28,000. It's worth it. It's good. And it's LG. How can you go wrong? Yeah man, see there.
So I have this lady.
54,000, 4 burner with oven. Open the oven. Very nice. It's an electrical oven. So in case you don't have any gas, you can still cook. So you have gas oven, gas stove, and electrical stove. So these stoves are gas stove and electrical at the same time if you want. So you can pick, choose, or refuse if you want electrical stove or you want gas stove. 68, 64, stuff like that. Crackers is right here. Yeah. And this is the cereal section if you want. For those other special type of cereal, Kit Kat, Crunchy Nut, Fruity Loops. You have a lot of options. Nairobi is the place to be if you want to visit. If you choose to live, you have cereal, stuff like that. It's up to you what you want, what you like, what you desire, what you need. Yeah man, so that's the rest of it's gonna link up man. Right here. It's gonna link up, it's gonna say. Where are my guys? Oh. Chocolate. Yeah man. You want chocolate, candy. We have marshmallow. So this is the marshmallow section. Just come link now link. Over the link man. The marshmallow section. You understand? Chocolate over here. Oreos. As you can see. So
There's so much Carrefour here. We have Carrefour in Surrey Center, Two Rivers Mall.
Mini Carrefour. I say it's like Walmart in Jamaica.
It is like, no, it's like Mega Mart in Jamaica, yeah. And it's also like Walmart in the United States.
Yeah.
And what that do for you know who should travel is the fact that you were always able to find the things that you are accustomed using in Jamaica and also in the United States. So our sister here, one of the Empress of Zion, she just purchased, as you can see, an air fryer.
Yeah man. Up thing.
So as you guys know, guys, Kenya is up to date.
Very up to date, yes.
Everything you need is right here.
Everything.
From
all
a
you
toddler
need to do is carry your
to
suitcase,
elder.
and that's it.
All you do is carry your suitcase, come, invest, buy land, and raise your family.
Great.
That's right. And contact Jam
Tour.
for all your travel needs. We're right here.
Jam Tour. Jam Tour for sure.
Sign off.
Is it
Yes.
international?
It's not international, but they have the option while they're shopping
optical.
to visit the eye doctor right here. Just like we have also in, if you want to get glasses, frame, contact lens, the same is also here in Kenya.
Yeah man. It's the eye place. Yeah man. In case you guys want to get a nice shades or test glasses for your eyes, it's right here. See the brand? Right there. Yeah man. Ava, over here's the customer service.
card.
We get the warranty card. So if you buy an item in Kenya, make sure you have a warranty card. Just in case if anything happens with the power, hit your fridge, your stove, whatever it is, electrical, you can get it fixed or they give you a new one. That's what's up right here in Nairobi.
Hello, man, in Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamrock, but welcome to Kenya today. Flowers. Roses are red, violets are blue. Flowers is nice for me and you. Hello, I'm just shooting a short video about the flowers that you guys have and the prices. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay then. These are the lovely ladies in Kenya. Lovely Kenyan ladies, like Empress. In my country, Jamaica, we call African women Queen and Empress. So now we're here. It's good to be amongst the Queen and Empresses. So you guys have roses.
Yeah.
Roses are red. Violet is blue. Good flowers is nice for me and you. So yeah, check in case you guys want to buy flowers. What's the name of your brand? The company?
Flowers Kenya.
Flowers Kenya. So if anyone wants to buy fresh, real flowers, they come to Flowers Kenya.
Yeah.
You guys located more than one place or just here?
Just here.
Just here. Can you tell us something about the flowers that you want my people to know?
Oh yeah. So
Yes.
we have different types. Like
Yeah, this people look louder, like right now you're on national TV.
okay, we have roses, different colors.
Different colors, yeah.
Like we have red. Yeah, we have white.
That's white roses.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
We have this is hot pink.
Pink.
Hot pink.
Port?
Hot.
Oh, hot pink.
Yeah.
It is definitely hot, I can
Yeah,
see.
it's hot.
Yes.
This is baby pink.
Okay, baby pink.
This is blush.
Blush?
Blush pink.
Okay then.
Yeah, and then this is yellow.
Yellow roses. Let me see this one.
Yeah.
Smell like the sunset. Actually fresh. I like it.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then now these are the fillers.
Those are what?
We call them statis.
Scotches.
Statis.
Okay.
Yeah. We call them limonium.
These ones?
Yeah. They are the fillers. We call them astromeria.
Why they call this Astromeria?
Astromeria.
Why?
It's their name.
Okay, it's the name. Astromeria.
Yeah.
Cool. These are some beautiful flowers you got
So
though.
this is white. This is yellow. There is also purple.
Purple.
But you don't have.
Lavender.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are mums.
Mums?
Chrysanthemums.
Asante mums?
Chrysanthemums.
Oh, Chrysante.
Chrysanthemums.
Chrysante mums. Tune in,
Yeah.
tune in. Damn.
So the various colors.
I can see Flowers Kenya.
Yeah. This is another color.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have this.
That colors look nice. I
Yeah.
like that. It's like burnt orange, yellow, red.
Yeah.
It's mixed.
Yeah. This is maroon.
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 Really? Okay, then
Yeah.
then the maroon. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
This is
We
white.
we have a national hero we call Nanny of the Maroon. Yes, she's a freedom fighter for Jamaica. We're Jamaicans, you know?
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Then this is white.
White.
They're still chrysanthemums.
Chrysanthemums.
Yeah.
They're still like which one again?
This from
one.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a white version.
Yeah, white version.
Okay.
And then we have yellow.
Chrysanthemums.
Yeah.
You know your flowers.
Yeah.
You're good at this.
Yeah. This is
So if
yellow.
you should buy a flowers for a guy, which one would you give him?
We can do mums. The yellow.
Yellow? For me,
The white.
she buy me a flowers. I know she like me. One Love Africa is here with Jackie. Say hello.
Hello. Hi.
And say something to my Jamaican friends and my viewers. What you want to tell them about Kenya?
Kenya is a good country. We are peaceful.
True.
We love visitors. Yeah, we love visitors.
That's
We are
good.
hospitable. Welcome to Kenya.
Welcome to Kenya. And make sure this like, subscribe, and share, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay then. So that's Jackie. And your name is?
Oh, my name is Tracy.
Tracy.
Yeah.
Tracy 73. So what do you want to say about to my viewers, subscribers, and my people in Kenya?
Oh, you subscribe to his channel. If you want flowers, if you want flowers, you can come here and buy flowers.
Mm-hmm. Okay then, so that's Tracy.
Yeah.
And is anything else you want to tell Jamaica? What do you want to say to Jamaica? If you should say a Jamaican word right now, which word would you want to say? Or which word would you like to say on the phone? What do you know about Jamaica? Tell me something.
Jamaica is a good country. I love their music and
What type of music we do?
Mostly dancehall.
What?
Yeah, I love their music.
You shy?
Yeah, I like your music. Yeah.
Alright then. And the food? You ever tried Jamaican food before?
I've not yet tried, but
Not yet
soon.
tried? Okay. Soon she's gonna try some Jamaican food. Come at Reggae Flavors. We'll link up with Jamrock, a restaurant at Brookside called Jamrock. So she's gonna come at Jamrock, try Jamaican food, and the moment they come, I'll be videoing her getting the most sweetest food in her life. I want to see her reaction. You see me I say. So peace out and love. How do you say goodbye in Swahili?
Kwaheri.
Kwaheli. Okay, so you're shy, right? I know she's shy. She's a shy one, so I'm not gonna show her on the camera. Right now we're here back at Jamrock, so we finished with the mall. My phone died, so I have to use the power bank to charge my phone, so I couldn't finish the video with the ladies when they were giving us more details about the flowers in Nairobi. But anyways, we're right here at Jamrock where Reggae Flavors chill. Well, this is where Reggae Flavors do business. Reggae Flavors, Jamaican restaurant, Jamrock Jamaican restaurant. See it there? One brand, one family, one team. Jamaican community, as you can see. Like that. Come on. Is that David? This is David. We have to Reggae Flavors and to One Love Africa.
Always Africa. Zion we have.
Zion. No, but we are Zion already. You understand? So as you can see the place. Yeah. Life goes on, yeah. Yeah, man. This is it. Jamaican restaurant. It's some real food. Jamrock. Yeah. Tracy. Yeah, man. How is this? This is me I say. Bob, how that? Usain Bolt. We have Bob Marley over here, so. You see. So, I get some food. I eat some swimmers. And a lot of other food behind it. Jamrock. Make sure you send a view, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this channel to make it grow, help support each other. A lot of people, I should say, like to watch, but not supporting. But we're good, man. You understand? And the slogan, aka Ricardo, Slick Rick, right here. One Love Africa. Check. No one bless. Come on. Ramish over here, some mash up and fish.
Yeah.
Start using the video. Not my thing. Yeah.